eSIM Studios. So Google has just announced and released their hardware repair manuals and guides for their Pixel series. I think Pixel 7, 7 Pro, and Pixel 6a. I think it is I was going to say horrible idea. I don't love it. I mean, should they? Yes, they should. I know Apple and Samsung have recently done this. I think Apple was the first, maybe 6 months ago, and then Samsung did the same thing basically a few months ago, and then Google just announced today or yesterday that they're encouraging you to repair your own device. Now, why do I think this is a bad idea? I think it's a good idea, first and foremost, because the option should be there. However, have you ever taken apart a phone? And I'm speaking to you, the viewer, because it's incredibly not hard. I mean, all you got to do is just follow directions, right? However, it's not as easy as it sounds. And iFixiT, a phenomenal website if you're interested in looking at that stuff, schematics, guides. iFixiT website, it's been around for years. Been basically the number one go-to source when you need to repair a electronics device, tablet, phone, laptop, what have you. They rated the Pixel 7 series, I think, on a scale from 1 to 10. 10 being the hardest, 1 being the easiest. I think the average smartphone... Now, this is taking the phone completely apart, from the screen all the way down to the back glass. I think they gave it a... No, wait. The average phone is like maybe a 6, something like around there. They gave the Pixel, from what I remember, a 10. So it was one of the hardest devices they've ever taken apart. And I just believe... I used to do that. I used to work at Sprint in sales, but also the service side where I physically repaired devices. It is not easy. And I guarantee you, I don't know what percentage, but I guarantee you there's going to be people that attempt to fix something on their device, and you can follow directions wonderfully. It's taking it apart. It's pulling a little too hard on the display and it cracks. That's happened to me. You pull this wire off and the whole wire comes off of the phone, or the possibility of a customer breaking something else, trying to repair what they initially took the phone apart for, is very, very high. It's not saying I don't have confidence in people. I'm just saying I did it. I broke stuff. So, and with this phone being basically a 10 out of 10, one of the hardest devices to take apart, I just don't think gonna run into more issues than your initial issue with the device, if that makes sense. I'll put a link in the description. You can check out the release and the details if you're interested. But with the smartphones, everything inside getting smaller, they fit more things in smaller crevices, and just layers on layers of electronics inside your device, it is very difficult. Just getting into the phone is hard. I'm sure it'll come with, nice and drawn out instructions and have photos and this and that, but I don't know. I just think people are going to break more stuff than what they're going to fix, if that makes sense. So you can check out the link in the description. I'll definitely put it there for you to check out. I encourage you to, because these little things, these videos that I make I know some of them might be more important to me than to you, but ultimately they're tech stories and news items, topics that I think are all around important just for the tech world in general. So you can check it out if you like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.